may contain a tornado. Flying trees can be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes can be damaged or destroyed. This storm will be near Poolville right at 5 o'clock. Just within the next couple of minutes. Springtown around 5:10. Briar and Reno by 5:15. And Boyd by 5:20. If this storm continues, it could also be entering southwestern Denton County within the next 15 minutes. Once again, a tornado warning has now been issued for southwestern Wise County and northern Parker County till 5:30. Severe thunderstorm near Poolville, or about 10 miles northeast of Mineral Wells, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. All Northwestern stations affected by this alert are requested to rebroadcast the preceding message. And as it is just about news time, coming up 5.
This hasn't even hit the DFW Metroplex yet, and it's 6 a.m. I don't think I'm gonna have the energy to get any more than that.
Storm watch in effect. Severe thunderstorm warnings have been issued now for portions of Somerville, Johnson, Parker, Tarrant, and Hood County. Stand by as we alert all stations in the area on WBA. Programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the emergency alert system. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Somerville County, Johnson County, Parker County, Tarrant County, and Hood County until 6:15. Severe thunderstorms are located along a line that extends from Springtown up in northeastern Parker County down to near Granbury, all moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. 55 mile per hour movement to the northeast and 65 mile per hour wind gusts along with any size hail, which could become larger. There are spotting reports of 62 mile per hour winds coming in momentarily. There are also reports of multiple mobile homes being overturned in Parker County at this time. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings now activated for Somerville and Hood County, Johnson County, Parker County, and Tarrant County until 6:15. Severe thunderstorms located along the line extending from near Springtown down to Granbury, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. All Northwestern stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. For continued we'll move on.
Tennessee, Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Fort Campbell to 8 miles northwest of Dixon, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ashland City, Clarksville, Pleasant View, Charlotte, Adams, Van Leer, Sladen, Cheatham, Palmyra, Cunningham, and Woodlawn. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 1 and 23. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee.
And you'll see how easy it is for
Ashland City, Clarksville, Pleasant View, Charlotte, Adams, Van Leer, Sladen, Cheatham, Palmyra, Cunningham, and Woodlawn. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 1 and 23. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee.
Small print. In that mindset, where, so if we don't,
National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, western Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Maury County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, western Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pea Rim to 7 miles southeast of Fairview to near Mount Pleasant, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Franklin, Columbia, Gallatin, Lebanon, Ashland City, Nashville, Madison, Hendersonville, Smyrna, Brentwood, La Vernie, Spring Hill, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Mount Pleasant, Oak Hill, and Belmead. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 183 and 232. Interstate 65 between mile markers 42 and 97. Interstate 24 between mile markers 39 and 76. Interstate 840 between mile markers 10 and 71. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until...
process. Yep.
Okay, you know what? I'm just not even gonna tune to WSM because I'm getting WLAC very well as per usual, so it's not really necessary.
We already talked about that. But if you're doing it every day, it's going to get boring if it's the same thing every day, right?
You have been talking.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, central Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Guthrie to 9 miles west of Coopertown to near Ashland City, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Springfield, Ashland City, Hendersonville, Goodlettsville, White House, Millersville, Greenbrier, Coopertown, Ridgetop, Cross Plains, Portland, Jolton, Pleasant View, Orlinda, Adams, Cedar Hill, Mitchellville, Cottontown, and Blackjack. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 97 and 121. Interstate 24 between mile markers 17 and 39. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee.
Crazy.
I accidentally exited out of IM.
Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee.
U.S. military forces carried out a series of airstrikes in Syria, targeting those responsible for attacking our personnel.
Namely groups said to be linked to Iran's Revolutionary Guard. In Los Angeles, there is a tentative deal now between the school system and support personnel who were out on strike for 3 days this week. Superintendent Alberto Carvalho.
For a lot of our employees, the retroactive pay will be a check they will forever remember.
In sports, after more upsets, the NCAA Elite Eight has no number one seeds for the first time. The latest to fall, Alabama and Houston. CBS News Brief, I'm Tom Footy.
From the Springer Mountain Farm studio in Music City, this is the radio home of the Grand Ole Opry.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Smith County in Middle Tennessee, eastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, southern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Macon County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lakewood to La Vernie to 12 miles east of Spring Hill, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Gallatin, Lebanon, Carthage, Hartsville, Madison, Hendersonville, Smyrna, La Vernie, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, Nolensville, Lakewood, Watertown, Hermitage, Walter Hill, Grove Hill, Melinda City, Old Hickory, and South Carthage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee.
Descending from the clouds above the aircraft, and then rising back up into the clouds. It ran through the maneuvers twice.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Macon County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northwest of Fulton to 6 miles north of Hendersonville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, White House, Westmoreland, Richardville, Cottontown, Bethpage, and Oak Road. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 116 and 120. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Miles northwest of Portland to 6 miles north of Hendersonville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles. National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for County in Middle Tennessee, Lincoln County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Jackson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, west central Putnam County in Middle Tennessee, northern Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, and from midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hartsfield to near Watertown to 7 miles southeast of Walterville, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Smithville, Carthage, Gainsboro, Gordonsville, Hickman, South Carthage, Alexandria, Dowelltown, Liberty, Auburn-town, Woodleyville, Dixon Springs, Pleasant Shade, Center Hill Lake, Granville, Edgar Evans State Park, and Milton. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 251 and 275. The tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee.
Mail a bunch of large bills to everybody. But there is no ill effect. So there's
That took me by surprise.
thunderstorm warning for Morgan County, Anderson County, Southern Campbell County, Northeastern Roane County, Southeastern Scott County until 3:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Woodford to 7 miles north of Spring City, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oak Ridge, Clinton, Woodford, Oliver Springs, Harriman, Caryville, Rocky Top, Norris, Oakdale, and Norris Dam State Park. This includes Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile markers 119 and 134. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That's Chattanooga.
Always talking about the
thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kingston to near Decatur, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Knoxville, Oak Ridge, Maryville, Clinton, Lenore City, Alcora, Kingston, Sweetwater, Loudon, and Madisonville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 358 and 394. Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile markers 64 and 117. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This summer, our brand new.
Brothers fighting their inner demons.
Locations impacted include Athens, Madisonville, Benton, Ducktown, Etowah, Charleston, Englewood, Jellicoe Plains, Calhoun, and William Elm. Davenport Refuge. This includes Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile markers 38 and 39. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
I don't know why I referred to Haley with they, them pronouns. Probably because I called her a bra, I guess. And I'm just indecisive. Hello. Hopefully no more demons attack in your dreams.
What's the most effective way to northwestern North Carolina. Clay County in southwestern North Carolina.
That county in western North Carolina.
Monroe County until 4:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
That's good timing.
At 3:43 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles east of Etowah, Oregon, 16 miles south of Madisonville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Andrews, Murphy, Hayesville, Mount Tahala Lake, Pasquina, Violet, Hiawas Dam, Marble, Brassdown, and Shooting Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Pat McAfee Show.
The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hawkins County, South Central Hancock County, Northwestern Greene County, Northeastern Granger County, Central Hamilton County until 4:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:59 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rutledge to near New Market, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morristown, Rogersville, Rutledge, Bean Station, Burgoynesville, Russellville, Churchill, Moshine, Bulls Gap, and Baileyton. This includes Interstate 81 in Tennessee between mile markers 26 and 40. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Should be the last MRX alert for now. Hopefully I don't jinx myself.
The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cobb County, Greene County, until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Morristown to 7 miles northeast of Gatlinburg to Smoky Mountains, Montana area, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted Tustin, Blacksville, Smoky Mountains, Newfound Gap, Smoky Mountains, Wilson Mountain, Moshine, Caney Branch, Del Rio, and Chesapeake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 437 and 450. Interstate 81 in Tennessee between mile markers 18 and 29.
Oh God.
To an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Really, WXC20? I literally can't get WXL 56.
Madison County in western North Carolina, northwestern Mitchell County, north central Buncombe County in western North Carolina, northwestern Yancey County in western in North Carolina until 5:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:57 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles west of Irwin to 4 miles north of Marshall to 17 miles northwest of downtown Asheville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Burnsville, Mars Hill, Ramseytown, Faust, Wolf Ridge, Poplar, Green Mountain, Swiss, Marshall, and Beulah Dean. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Buncombe, Madison, Mitchell, and Yancey. The National Weather Service.
I couldn't get that earlier SVR right here. This one, because Tropo completely cucked me out of that, and I'm just getting WXJ20 on channel 1 instead of WXO56, but hey, I at least got this alert, so that's fine.